you're looking at the high ticket affiliate marketing offer E1ULife and wondering if it is a high ticket affiliate marketing opportunity that you should get involved with, or maybe you're already in E1ULife and you're looking for the best quality sources of traffic that you can use to actually get results in this opportunity. Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta, and I am a top marketer and top traffic provider in the online space. And I'm going to go over what E1ULife is. I'm going to do an in-depth review of what it is and how you can actually make those high-ticket affiliate marketing commissions in this opportunity, right? So I'm going to go over exactly what it is. So basically, E1ULife is an opportunity that allows you to be able to build your business online, right? And it sells different kinds of products, basically tools and training and other things that you can use to actually build a business online. So pretty much is what they offer you is they offer you a couple of templates that you can use to actually retain leads and get people onto your email list, knowing that your email list is your #1 asset. So when you think about an email list, your email list is where everybody goes onto and gathers. It's the one asset that you always have. So building your email list is very, very important when you're online, right? If you're not building an email list, then you're missing out on leads. So how it basically works is when you sign up, you're able to go through these 4 steps. So you create an account, you choose the package that you want, you submit a request, and they basically come out with your design for your pages, right? And it's cool in that aspect because having something that is done for you is always good. But in order to get all the bonuses and perks with this opportunity is $2,500 to get in, right? So you have to pay $2,500 to get everything that this offers, right? And then you're able to earn on that level, right? So that's basically what happens when you sign up for this and you make commission. So basically, you have to buy the products to be able to earn those commissions, right? So you have to buy all of them, right? So it's continuous commissions that you'll get, but the autoresponders are promo response and promo host, right? So those are like their in-house tools. So chances are if you use these tools, your deliverability isn't going to be as good as using a mainstream autoresponder such as Aweber or GetResponse, right? So if you're using marketing tools, I would suggest using the brand name marketing tools, and I can actually help you with that. If you have any questions, just reach out. I don't suggest you going and signing up for tools without knowing what you're doing, because you're going to end up spending a lot of money trying to figure this out, right? So, basically is what I want to do is I want to take you through, exactly how, you can get, results, in your marketing and be able to earn, right? So my goal is to help you to earn the most amount of commissions that you can, right? And when you have any kind of high ticket affiliate marketing offer, such as E1ULife, it's important to have bonuses. If you don't have any bonuses, then you're shooting yourself in the foot. Now, when I say bonuses, I don't mean what a company offers. I mean your own personal bonuses, things that you give people to sign up and pay the $2,500 for that package, right? You have to create something called an irresistible offer. When you create an irresistible offer, it makes that $2,500 look like peanuts, right? And that's what you want it to be. You want it to look so good, like they're getting a massive amount of value when they work with you and they order from you, right? So when anybody buys anything from you, you want to give them so much gold that they keep buying from you over and over again. You want to, give them the most amount of value that you can, so that way they like you, right? Because the more you give them, the more you help somebody, the more they will like you. And if you're looking for top quality, traffic, come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. That's my, traffic store. And I work with people who sell high ticket affiliate marketing opportunities. I also work with network marketers, affiliate marketers, and traffic providers who come to me and they want to build stuff in their business, right? So I help people to design whatever they want to build, and I also provide traffic and other kinds of services that people can utilize to build their business online, right? Because if you have people who are professionals and you can have access to that, that will actually help you to, grow your business quicker. So what I typically do when somebody buys traffic from me is I want to know that you're getting highly targeted traffic to your offers. I want to know that the page that you use and your sales page are congruent with your offer. And most importantly, the traffic sources have to be high quality, right? So you don't want to just buy a bunch of junk traffic, a bunch of bots, a bunch of cheap leads, because you're going to get really bad results if you do that. And I learned the hard way when I first got started online about 6 years ago. I just ran up, my credit cards to $87,000, just trying to get leads, not having a mentor, just doing it on my own, right? And it's very easy to be consistent with something, and I was consistent with it for about 3 years, and I just didn't get any results. And who I signed up with in my first opportunity ended up going to a different opportunity, so I didn't really have anybody. So I had to seek out mentorship, I had to seek out coaching, and from there I learned to become a top producer. When I became a top producer, I just took the knowledge that I've learned over the years, and I started to learn about traffic, what works, what doesn't work, what you should be doing in your business to get results, and everything like that. So that's when I become a top traffic provider and a top marketer, right? So I became a traffic provider because I knew if I was going through these issues and I was having these problems and I was stuck to figure it all out on my own, I knew that other people were having the same kind of issues as well, and that got me into selling traffic and helping people to get results, right? So when you get traffic from me, the traffic sources that you'll get traffic from are a variety. So you get a variety, a mix of different traffic from Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing, right? So you get a mix of those different sources. And then when you book a traffic package with me, I help you to get the best conversions with your funnel. So I'll go through your funnel, and I want you to get the highest opt-in rate. I have as high as a 90% opt-in rate as of now. This is 85%, and that's being on the safe side, right? So 90% opt-in rate is my highest as of now, and I want to help you to be able to track your leads and conversion rate, because it's very important to know those stats. If you don't know your stats and you're running traffic blindly in the dark, you never want to do that, because you'll end up spending a lot of money and wasting a lot of time that you don't have to waste. It's better to seek out a mentor. It's better to seek out somebody who can actually help you get to the next level and actually show you how to do it the right way, so you're not lost, you're not confused, you're just following step by step, putting a process into place and going out there and taking action, right? And I want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. It's very important to build a list of highly engaged people. So how this works is in 3 simple steps. So step 1 is you select the package that you want. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. It's under it's at the bottom of this page. So you keep scrolling down, you're going to actually find the traffic packages. Then step 2, we do a review of your campaign, and I help you to get the best results possible. You just want to schedule the meeting after you book your traffic package. Then step 3 is we do a campaign launch, and I want you to get the best results possible, right? So here's my first testimonial, 90% opt-in rate with 3 sales. And then I have other testimonials. You can take a look for yourself and scroll through here. Here's my 90% tier 1 package. Here's a 100% tier 1 package. And if you have any questions, chances are your questions are down here. So before you ask your questions, make sure you look in this area for any questions that you have. And here's my guarantee to you. I cannot issue any refunds on traffic because it is paid traffic, but what I can do is I can make sure that you get exactly what you ordered. So I guarantee 100% satisfaction. If you have any issues or any problems with your order, please reach out. Either reach out to me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta, or leave a message down here, and I will be happy to get back to you as soon as I get your message. And I will make sure you get exactly what you ordered. So if you're having any kinds of issues whatsoever, please reach out to me before taking another course of action. I'm happy to help you. I'm happy to serve you, and I'm here to see you win. So if you got value from this video and you want to get to this store, make sure you click on the link below this video and it will take you to this page. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and also get into my free Facebook group. There's a link in the description. You can actually get into there where I give tips, tricks, and training on how to build your business online, and you can get a lot of value from that group. And be sure to reach out to me if you have any questions. You can connect with me on Facebook. Again, Gio Ambrose Gianta. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this so you don't miss any that I post, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.